Welcome, 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 everybody. I just want to welcome all of you on this Coach Geeta 360 platform, where you can experience 360 degree of transformation to achieve your 5 years of goals just in 1 year. And we are here with our special guest to talk about another beautiful transformation program. And I want to ask you, as a parent of a teenager, few questions. And the question is, does your teen feel overwhelmed by the challenges in the school or with the friends? Does your teen want to change something, but then they don't know what to change? They don't have like guidance where to go. And is your teen interested in becoming a more stronger leader? And now just think about it. If you want to get answers to these questions, just stay tuned because we have a very, very special guest, Aditi, on this channel today. And I just want to give this control to Aditi. Aditi, please go ahead and give your awesome solution. I can't wait to hear this solution from you. Just introduce you and give us information about the program, which is a very special program. Please go ahead.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Coach Geeta. I really appreciate this opportunity. For those of you who don't know me, I am Aditi Verma. I am founder of Empower and Help and Wisdom Coach for Kids. And I know Geeta asked a lot of wonderful, impactful questions, and that's what a lot of teens and parents struggle with today. And it's definitely the best way to answer that is to talk about our teen leadership training program for the teens, which is being launched in RTP area. This is an in-person weekend-long training program with a certified coach, Adam Cecile. And in this program, a group of teens come together for about 24 hours to navigate what's holding them back from reaching their highest potential. Additionally, we have staff of about 4 to 6 coaches who are volunteering their time for these trainings and guiding the teens throughout the weekend. Training is happening at a Unity Church in Raleigh, North Carolina.
Oh, wow. Aditi, you said so many things about this program so far. So let me understand. You're saying the program name is Teen Leadership Training Program?
That's right.
Oh,
Teen
wow.
Leadership
And
Training Program.
and you're saying it's not online, it's in person.
It is in person. That's in transformational and experiential training, which is in person, brings the teens together so they can experience life in their own way and they can learn what's holding them back and how do they overcome that.
Okay, okay. And that is, I think, something unique because after the COVID, like so much of online world has grown so much, and kids are now just want to sit at home. It's kids like parents also. We just want online trainings, and which is good for scaling and reaching a lot of people. But something, a sensitive age, which is the teenage, and you are saying like you are having something in person here right in Raleigh, which is going to be, I think, the awesome, awesome opportunity for so many kids around here. Actually, I would say the awesome opportunity for parents like me, because I also have a teenager at home. So that's what I
That's
would say.
that's absolutely right, right. That's you touched on it, Geeta. The in-person component, you cannot, it just is amazing because this is an experiential and transformational training. Teens are actually not just listening to lectures, they are doing activities. And through the activities, they really realize what is their belief system that's holding them back. So yeah, some teens can handle stress better, and some people in general, I'm not even talking about teens, some folks can handle stress better and some folks cannot. Why is that? It's because the way we think. And this training will help them realize what is their thought process that's holding them back. It will help them bring awareness, increase their self-awareness to this thought process, because only after they have that awareness they will have an idea or tools to change it. Once you know what's wrong, only then you can fix it. If you don't know what's wrong, you can't fix it, right? You can't change it. You can't try different things. And that's where this training becomes very powerful, because they learn in a group setting from each other, because peer influence is very powerful. And we want to use it for good. And we want to bring all the teens that are part of the training to raise their self-awareness to create a better world for themselves and others.
That is really an awesome cause. And I think because you have that time with them, you have professional coaches and professional teachers, other coaches. You said a team of 5 to 6 people handling this program. So you're creating that environment, and it's so difficult for teenagers to hold them for that many hours on a weekend. And like it's that itself, I feel, is a very big uniqueness of this program. So any other unique point which you want to add to this one?
Yeah, they will not be sitting and listening to lectures. There are activities. They will be playing around. They'll be moving around. There are lots of breaks in between. There's a big group, and then they are broken down into smaller group where the other group coaches come in, and we'll be feeding them. It's a
Ah,
weekend
okay.
long. There'll be food, there'll be snacks, there'll be music. So, they'll be moving around, they'll be dancing a little bit too. It's all fun because, and Coach Geeta, I've learned this from you. If you are feeling happy, you absorb the energy, right? Like you bring your energy frequency up, and that's what we do. We are making sure that they are feeling happy and they are absorbing things. And there may be things where they'll be learning, which they may also not feel happy, right? So emotions are going up and down, but you may teach me things and I'll forget, but I will never forget how you make me feel. And that's what this training, it's going to be. They're going to feel a lot of things and they're going to absorb a lot of things. And we are going to go do this through activities and moving around, food, dancing, and what more.
No, no, that is awesome. Like that is something which you added. I did not know you have food and everything and dancing and everything there. So that is another additional point which we can say. And but see here, I want to ask you like a real question, okay? Like because I have a 26 years old, you know that, and I have a 17 years old who is like a senior right now. So being a teenager's mom, like I myself, I really want my child to come to this program, okay? But how do I convince a teenager? Because during this particular age group, like maybe they are busy, I'm not able to convince them, or like, maybe they'll say, okay, I'm not interested in some leadership kind of a thing, or like, maybe I'm just busy, okay? So even I want to pay for this program because this sounds awesome opportunity. Because see what happens, sometimes I feel that, something I cannot learn by myself. Like, somebody's telling me, like my mom is telling me, or my husband is telling me, I'm not able to learn something. But something I read in the book, or something my coach tells me, somebody else telling, always is more effective. It's just like a light bulb. Okay. So I understand the value of the coaching, being a coach, and having, like, without, I have this highest value for the guru, like, the person who is that person, he only can do. But here, how do I convince? Like, so I just want to like ask you
Yeah,
real
yeah.
question.
I mean, Geeta, have you never convinced your child for something that you feel is valuable for your child? Like, can you think back on something that you have done
Oh my God.
to
Okay.
convince your
So
child?
I have convinced, I have blackmailed, I have done all that. Maybe I think what you answered it so well. Yes. For that matter, like for the Bhangra Sia is doing for last 2 years, the first class I remember I had to forcefully put her in the car and take her to that, from her gymnastic to that. And now she is like always thanking me. Okay, good you took me that day. But you're
And
so right. Yes.
and from what I have heard from you, she's flourishing, right? She is winning. She is getting trophies. She's actually coaching teams. So I feel like as a parent, if you value this and if you're convinced that this is something your child will benefit from, because your child will, it's a transformational training, the child will be a different child coming back, you will find a way to have a conversation with them and convince them.
You answered it so well, so well. So now I want to ask you another important question. Okay. So I understand that anything you want to do in the life, you need time and money both. Okay. So what is the investment on this program?
Absolutely. This teen leadership training program is a weekend long program. So it would be Friday evenings. It's Friday from like 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. Saturday will be all day, 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. And Sunday will be like 12 p.m. to 7 p.m. Now, I know it feels like it's an all day training, but Again, they are moving around, there'll be breaks, there'll be eating. So it will be a blast because at the end of the training, these kids, this group of kids are very close-knit family. They are so close. They have found a group that they can lean on, be open, safe, and comfortable with. As far as pricing, we have a special launch price for this training as we are bringing it in Raleigh, North Carolina for the first time for $195, which is a steal because for 3 weekends, for the amount of staff and people that we have, for 25 hours of training, it's only 195. You could do the math, you know. And if you bring a friend, it's always fun to do a training with a friend.
Yes.
Come and see me for a special surprise. There will be a special surprise from me. So
Oh, that is going to be, but that's so awesome. Means I means I can't imagine like you are giving a complete weekend, which is like this sounds more like a workshop or the camp, like summer camps used to be there, like, like you send for the whole week.
yeah,
But this is like a full-fledged, like a complete workshop for the teenagers, where because
absolutely.
they're with you for that longer time with all the professionals there, they are slowly transforming. They're getting that time to change and listen and have fun and everything together. You're taking care of all that, and all that, if you're saying you're giving for this launch price because you're launching here, that itself was the big thing. Like, because we don't
Yeah,
have such kind of programs for the teens which are like here going on, like, a lot of programs for the adults may be there, but for the teens, like, this is something special I can hear. And for $195 for the whole weekend, as you said, it is really, really a steal. And now I'm sending Sia for this. That's what I would say. Now I have to tell Sia,
that is
tell her,
awesome.
go with the go with the friend.
Yes, bring a friend. I would love to see Sia in this program. I am looking forward to it.
Yeah, see what
Uh,
happens, I feel I always give lot of weightage to my kids' friends, okay? And I feel like that, like having blessing and like lucky to have a good friend. So, like
Absolutely.
definitely, like I would, if the friend comes, and I have seen like they have like that support system with them when they go anywhere.
Yeah.
So like in dancing also, like I've seen, like, like first time when she went, like, she called a friend. So always like wherever she's like going, no, like somebody is there, like as a support maybe or something, or even they're
And
studying nowadays, they have a friend with them.
right. Imagine that your friend and you have gone through this training. You understand the concepts. You understand. You can kind of, if you are confused or you're not sure, something happens in life, you can sort of talk to them, you know? It's good to have someone to talk to them because now that they're going through the training,
Yes,
they
yes.
will also have, provide information in a way that might be it might be more of a proper information versus misinformation that you hear from other people who don't know. They're still learning life, right? And not only your friend, now you have expanded the circle of friend because now these kids become so close. They exchange numbers and they actually connect with each other and they have each other to talk to. There is this psychological safety that I can say things and these folks will understand, which
Yes,
I'm not sure
definitely.
if the folks
Yes.
outside will understand because being judged is another big fear that a lot of teenagers have.
Yeah, no, I can completely understand. And this thing is, see, I cannot teach my child dance, so I send her to a dance class. Okay. I cannot teach mathematics or like calculus to her. She goes to school or she goes to somewhere. So, for learning something, we actually, when we send to a appropriate resource and a source, they are going to learn it faster. And me teaching idea is like, I would say that will not work as effectively and as fast. So it's a saving of my time, my money, my energy, and you're giving me some transformed, like, person when that child goes to this training. Okay, so that's what I can look at it. And I actually want to ask you right now towards like any ending comments or any invitation you want to give us.
Absolutely. I would tell the parents and the teens to come experience the transformation with me and the fellow teens in Raleigh, North Carolina on March 8th, 9th, and 10th. In life, you often have to make the difficult decisions, which is what leaders do. And that takes courage, confidence, and resilience. So build your leadership muscle with this unique program for only $195, which includes food, and professional coaches and professional environment.
Best. Very nice, very nice. I actually want to, whosoever is listening this, you're listening this on a WhatsApp group or on a YouTube channel, anywhere, or Instagram you're listening, you will find some extra description about this course in the description section. That's what I would say. And we need, like I would say that this is, your kid is such a close connection with us, and it's a very emotional topic for all of us. Okay, so we actually need support from all of you for this good cause, and just we want to see like how our team is taking this experience and this experiential training program in their life. Okay, so I want to actually thank you again, Aditi, for bringing this teen leadership program to this RTP area. Okay, it takes a lot of efforts, I would say, bringing such kind of program, live program, arrangements, coaches. It's a lot of work, which I can actually salute you, dear. And I would say, like, I would highly recommend each and every one here, whosoever is listening to this, or you think that somebody is appropriate for this program, forward this is going to happen right around the corner in mid of like 8th March, 8th, 9th, and 10th March. So book your calendar, book your calendar, or you tell your kid to book his or her calendar so that they can have fun in this experience, this experiential program. That's what I would say. And if they get a friend to go along, it's going to be much more fun. Okay, so
Yes.
let's just support this beautiful cause. Aditi, again, thank you so much for coming here and giving us information. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much for the opportunity.
Thank you. Yeah. Okay, see you then. Bye bye. Thanks.
Bye.